again, this is the third column. What I would do, try the problem, pause the video, play. You can kind of make sure that you've done this correctly. So use this as a study tool for the quiz or whatever review that you want to do for exponents. We're taking -2 away from -6, so it's -6w minus a -2w. And you have a double negative here, which you're minusing a negative changes a positive, so it's really a plus, so it's -6 plus 2, so it'd be -4w. When we divide like bases, we subtract the exponents, so it's k to the 4th. Now we're going to multiply 2 and 5, of course, is just 10. When we multiply like bases, we add the exponents. So it's a to the -3rd and b to the 8th. Cross the line, change the sign, and we got a final answer for that one. Okay, now everything inside of here gets raised to the -3rd power. So we have 6 to the -3rd power, which we'll figure out in a second. We have, there's an invisible 1 there, so power to power you multiply c to the -3rd power. And power to power again would be d to the 3rd power. So the 6 times 6 times 6 is 216, but that goes to the bottom. So 216 goes to the bottom. The c goes to the bottom because it's a negative exponent, but the d stays put. And that 1 is unnecessary, but it's okay that it's there. All right, the next one we raise everything to the 4th power, or 3rd power. 4 to the 3rd power is 64. Power to power you multiply. Power to power you multiply again. And again. Now we're going to cross the line and change the sign. So those two are going to go to the bottom. So the final answer is 64. B to the 15th stays. The a to the 3rd goes. And the c to the 9th goes as well. Okay, now this one here, the 8 does go into 32 4 times evenly, so it's just -4. 3 versus 1, so there's 2 left on the top. 2 versus 1, so there's 1 left on the top. And 5 versus 2, there are 3 left on the top. That was a pretty easy one. And now the last one here, 21. I'll pause it for a second. Okay, so the last one here, we square here, so it would be 36a. Power to power you multiply over 12a7b minus 8a cubed b. And basically I'm following the order of operations here. So 36 divided by 12, of course, is 3, so I have 3. And then 10 versus 7 is 3, so it's a to the 3rd b minus 8a to the 3rd b. So those are now like terms, just like the very first one. If you're with me for the very first one, those are like terms. So we change the coefficients. 3 minus 8 is -5. A to the 3rd b. And that does it.